Yo, so real shit, is this on? Oh yeah, we on. Check this out. So I'm straight up scrolling through the beats on my phone on some blow shit, and I come across a Carl Began beat, my nigga Low Key beat, and it reminded me that I told him that I would freestyle to one of his beats and record to it, but honestly, studio time is kinda hard for me, so it's been hard to get around to that. So I decided I might as well just go off to it right now, since we talking about it though. Fuck it. Off the dome. The fuck? Yeah, they always got me on some random shit. Sit back and on my relaxing tip. I want y'all to imagine this. Niggas running your home with bandanas and shit. How many niggas got semis, 9 millies trying to kill me? Good thing I got Desert Eagles, Regals, they'll leave you see-through. You don't even gotta be buried in a cemetery for you to earn an obituary. I'm all in the bank like lead me to the safe. Anybody moved and everybody getting sprayed. I ain't playing, a nigga trying to get paid. I'm serious, I'm even showing you bare face. It's low ski on a low key beat, and low key I smoke weed till I OD. Go to sleep so deep that I feel deceased. Wake up and eat everything that I fucking see. Do they make me a pothead? My pop said, booyaka, booyaka, now he got dreads. That's some random shit, nothing to do with these rhymes, but I'm flowing off the top of my mind. I wanna see y'all do the shit that I do. I told myself I would never get a tattoo, and honestly, I got a few that's hypocritical, but at least they biblical. Catch the Holy Ghost, got me feeling spiritual. Let your homies know I got you thinking critical, like Lost. How do you do? I look at him like I ain't even got a clue. Why don't you go ahead and take that to science guy? Investigate that, rest in peace to Bill Nye.